In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put multiple videos together in Card. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can place two videos side by side on your page in just a few minutes. First, open your Card project so you're in the editor. At the top, click the Add Plus icon to insert a new element. From the menu that appears, choose Container. A container is what manages layout, and it's the key to placing items next to each other instead of stacking them. In the container's settings, select the type option and switch it to columns. This tells Card to split the container into multiple vertical sections. Choose the columns layout that fits your design, then click Done to add it to the page. You'll now have a structured space ready to hold your videos. Next, click the Add Plus icon again and choose Video. Select Upload, pick your first video file from your computer, and click Open. Once the file finishes uploading, confirm by clicking Add so it's placed on the page. If your video is large, give it a moment to process. A quick tip: keeping video files compressed and in common formats like MP4 helps them load faster for visitors. Now repeat that process for your second video. Click Add, choose Video, then Upload. Select your second file and click Open. After it appears, drag this new video into the other column inside the container so the two videos sit side by side. If the placement feels off, make sure you're dragging into the container's column area, not outside it. When everything looks aligned, click Done to save the layout changes. On desktop, you should see your videos next to each other. On mobile, columns often stack one above the other automatically, which is normal and improves readability. If you want a balanced look, consider using videos with similar dimensions and durations, and keep file names organized so updates are easy later. That's it. Your Card page now displays multiple videos together cleanly and professionally. Thanks for watching, and happy building.